All right, you guys, we are at 1570 Venice Avenue in Fort Walton Beach. It's a very cute neighborhood, nicely maintained homes. A really nice large front porch. Right as you walk in, you have the dining room. The nice thing about this house is there is lots of natural light. The windows are all very tall and they let in beautiful light throughout the entire house. Here's a pantry. And it takes us right into the kitchen. And then an eat-in dining space with a breakfast bar here. And then it flows into the living room. You have a fireplace. There's also this really terrific storage space that they built in underneath the stairs. The rooms do feel really big and spacious. Right out here, you have a great back patio space. Step down onto a concrete pad, and then a smaller backyard. But it is fenced in. And then off the living room, you're gonna have your laundry room, which is a really generous size. Plenty of space to wash, fold clothing, large storage space here. You have your AC, which looks new. And then your garage, which is also a really good size hot water heater. You have a half bath on the main level. And then let's go upstairs. Okay, upstairs, they have added a built-in desk and bookshelf here. There's a linen closet and one of the bedrooms. This bedroom has an ensuite full bath and a walk-in closet. Come back out into this flex space and you have the upstairs AC. And this is the master. Such beautiful light that comes in here. You have a large walk-in closet. and bathroom. A soaking tub, jet tub, double vanity, and a really large, generous shower. You have dual shower heads in here. And then a separate toilet room. So it's a really good sized bathroom. And there's also a extra linen closet in here as well. Could be a great little reading area, sitting area, extra workspace, desk space. You walk back out here and you have an additional bedroom with a good sized closet. Another linen closet, a shared bathroom, and then an extra bedroom. Again, good sized closet. I do think some paint, updated light fixtures would go a long, long way. You know, you could easily paint these cabinets, change out the hardware. It would make the house look completely different. Okay, you guys, so overall, there's a few things I really love about Venice Avenue. Really big rooms. All of the rooms feel really generous and spacious, and there's lots of natural light that is coming in through the windows. I love how much space it would offer your family, especially like the living room and kitchen space, and then the extra flex space upstairs with the desk. The backyard is on the smaller side. I do think like a lot of the finishes in the home, like all of them, are pretty standard builder grade finishes. So it would go a long way if you even just like painting all the walls a more neutral color like white, and like upgraded some of the finishes like hardware, lights, cabinet hardware, countertops, all of those things could be upgraded and it would make this house look really incredible. So just some of the things are a little outdated, but honestly, it wouldn't cost that much to update these smaller things to make a drastic improvement in the overall feel of the house. The neighborhood is in a really good location, so it's right behind the Fort Walton Beach Walmart and Sam's Club. It's centrally located to a lot of shopping and restaurants, and then of course Eglin Air Force Base. So it is in a very central location, and the neighborhood is really cute. Everybody is taking really great care of their home. It looks like a really well-maintained community and a family-friendly community.